Hello friends, once again I'm Akshay Podar here for your virtualization and cloud computing classes. I'm Akshay Podar, research engineer in the following fields: virtualizations and cloud computing. So here in this class uh, I just wanted to describe how to share the files from the host machine to the virtual machine. Here I'm using this virtual machine as a VMware Workstation 2008 R2, and now in this class I would like to the problem regarding the file sharing between host in the operating system. So now I can directly use this drag and drop option. Okay, yeah, here you can see that I can just drag and drop the file. Okay, now sometimes you feel the problem cop- while drag and drop the file. So you can do this by simply going into the setting of the virtual machine, then options, then going to the guest isolation. Here you can see that the options are enables for drag and drop and enable for copy and paste, and you need to do this enable VMCA, that is the virtual machine, to communicate with the host and other virtual machine. So I have done this configuration and clicked on OK button, and that's it. Just you, and one more thing, you have to install these VMware tools to work this properly. Okay, then after the VMware tools you can just interface with the virtual machine as well as the outside the host operating system simultaneously. Okay, simultaneously, and you can see the full view of virtual machine. Okay, now if again if you are facing some problem in the file sharing, now what you have to do is I'm giving you the second method, that is the HFS, HTTP file server. We are creating a HTTP file server so that we can share the file from one guest operating system to another guest operating system, or from one host machine to numbers of virtual machine using the HTTP file server. So here again you can use the two network. Your virtual machine can be use this. Okay, either the virtual machine network adapter as a NAT or as a bridge, or the host only adapter. Okay, but here I'm giving you the HTTP, the use of the HFS using the both protocol and NAT and the bridge. Okay, how can you share the file if you are using the bridge as a network adapter and NAT as a network adapter? Okay, so first of all I am here using the bridge adapter. You can see that in the VMnet 1 I have selected the bridge. While installing the After installing the VMware workstation, you have this VMware network editor. You can run this using the virtual network editor. Here you can see that. Then I have selected the VNet 1 bridge as my wireless network adapter. Okay, I have connected my virtual machine. Okay, I have connected my virtual machine with the Wi-Fi and giving it as IP of local area network. You can select the local area network, and you can goes to the properties and TCP IP version 4, and I have given this virtual machine IP of 123. Okay, and DNS of the routers, whatever the configuration is in the router, I have given this to the virtual machine and assign a static IP. Okay, static IP instead of the dynamic. Okay, and now I am closing this. Okay, my guest OS IP is 192.168.1.123, and my host IP is 192.168.1.1.23. Okay, so my host IP is 1.23 and my guest operating IP is 123. Okay, and one more thing I have to clear once again, that I am here using a NAT1 as a bridge adapter. Okay, so first for bridge adapter, now what you have to do for the file sharing using the HFS, I've just installed this HFS from this site. HFS, you need to search on the Google HFS and download this server, and after download just install this and search it on Google. Sorry, after installing just run it. Okay, after running, what you need to do is the whatever file you need to transfer is just drag and drop to this folder. to this particularly virtual file system. Okay, here, got it. Then after this, what you have to type is the IP address of your host machine. Means, okay, 1.23 is my IP address of my host machine. Now just go to the Internet Explorer. Okay, then after going to the Internet Explorer, what you need to do is just browse to the HTTP, then 192.168.1.1 sorry, instead of 123 I just need to log into the 23. Okay, simply, got it, so simple.